Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the product rule in differentiation. Consider the function fx equals u into v, where u and v are two separate functions, and we have the product of function u and function v being equal to function fx. Now let us consider the derivative of function fx, which is f dash x. And we can write, according to the product rule, that f dash x is equal to u into v dash, function u into the derivative of function v, plus function v into the derivative of function u, which is denoted as u dash. So this is what we call the product rule. Let's box that up. Since this is what we will be using to solve the next example. Now let us get into that example. Let us consider fx equals x squared sine x. As you can see, there are two distinct functions here. This function, which we are going to call u, and this function sine x, which we are going to call v. And then next step is to basically compute the derivatives of these two individual functions. So we have u dash equals 2x and v dash equals cos x, because the derivative of sine x is cos of x. Then it's simply a matter of plugging in to this formula or this rule. So with that we have f dash x equals u v dash, so u is x squared, into v dash, which is cos x, plus v u dash. So v is sine x into u dash, which is 2x. And this can be written as x squared cos x plus 2x sine x. And this is how we use the product rule to compute the derivative of the product of two distinct functions. If you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comment section. Thank you.